If you see ants in your kitchen, there may be an entire colony growing behind the wall, and this simple trick can help stop it before it spreads. Most people spray ants where they see them, but that doesn't affect the colony. The queen stays alive, and the ants return a few days later, always following the same path. Mix equal parts vinegar and water. Add a few drops of dish soap. Now spray directly along the ant's trail, paying a special attention to door thresholds, window edges, and the area under the sink. Vinegar removes the pheromone trail ants use to navigate. Without it, they become disoriented, and the colony loses its food supply. But that's not all. Now we need something that can destroy the colony from the inside. Mix borax and sugar. The ants will carry it back to the nest and feed it to the queen. That's what targets the colony itself, not just the ants you can see. Most people notice results very quickly. The ants disappear and don't come back as quickly as they do after using a regular spray. Try it tonight and let me know in the comments if it worked for you. If you want more tips like this, subscribe because I share a new one every week.